Hard versus hardly. For the sake of this discussion, yung hard natin dito, yung adverb na hard, para may compare natin siya dito sa adverb din na hardly. Tandaan nyo, if it's raining hard, there's a lot of rain. Ibig sabihin, ang hard natin dito as adverb means intensely. Umuulan ng malakas. Ibig sabihin, intense yung pag-ulan. Now, if it's hardly raining, there's very little rain. Ang ibig sabihin naman ng hardly ay barely or almost not. So, ibig sabihin, if it's hardly raining, it's almost not raining or it's just barely raining. So, kokonti lang talaga yung ulan. She studied blank to pass her exam. So, gusto niyang pumasa dun sa exams. Anong gagawin mo? Barely ka bang mag-aaral or almost hindi ka bang mag-aaral or intensely ka mag-aaral? Siyempre, etong hard na to yung pipiliin natin. So, she studied hard to pass her exams. In contrast, she blank studied, so she failed. May konteksto tayo dito na bumagsak siya as a result of this, kasi may so eh. Itong cause ng pagbagsak niya ay hindi talaga siya nag-aral masyado. She hardly studied, so she failed. Kayo naman, anong tamang gamitin sa dalawa?